beans and rice. Rice and beans. I mean, everybody eats rice and beans. Gonna be the best you ever had. We started by taking our red beans and giving them a nice rinse, and I'm going to do a quick soak, which I add baking soda to the water, bring it up to a boil for about 1 minute, and then let it sit for an hour. Now, the holy trinity is key, which is your bell peppers, celery, and onion, and I'm going to be using a sweet onion for this. And then I'm going to add as many cloves of garlic as I want, and I did about 8 cloves of garlic. Next, I add some olive oil to the pan and my vegetables, and I season it with my Just Magic seasoning because it has everything that you need. And then I'm going to go ahead and get my beans and add my veggies to a pot with some other seasonings, and I'll make sure I list everything I use in the description box below. In the meantime, I'm going to take some vegan sausages that I seasoned up with my Red House seasoning, vegan Worcestershire sauce, and then after about an hour and a half of cooking, I'm going to remove some of the beans and mash them up very well and add them back to a pot and allow that to cook for 30 more minutes. Now, I do suggest that you allow this to sit for at least 30 minutes before serving so it can thicken up, but your girl was hungry, so we decided to eat it right away. I topped it with some green onions, added some cornbread, some rice, and a side of greens, and voila. Oh, these are so good. Oh. You can't tell me red beans and rice is not a universal language. Make sure you follow Chef Joy and compare foods for more vegan on a budget. Ciao.